Guys, I found a way to make your characters speak in different languages, be it English, Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, Japanese, Chinese, name it. When they speak, they sound so real. You'll be wondering whether this is a human voice or still AI voice, okay? And guys, it is so easy. It is very, very easy. You don't even need any extra app, just your normal ChatGPT, your image, and then you are good to go, okay? The video displaying on the screen was created in less than 5 minutes. Just listen to it.
Ọtụtụ ụmụ kedu ka unu siri taa Chineke gozie unu na jenu nke ọma o.
Minasan, 今日も暑いですね。どうぞお気をつけてね。いってらっしゃいましょう。
So guys, come with me. Let me show you how you can make your characters talk in any language of your choice. So guys, the magic is on your prompt. It is not the image or the tool you use to generate the video. It is on your prompt, okay? So we are going to go to ChatGPT and say, give me prompts for images and videos of an elderly Igbo woman dressed in Igbo traditional wear. So your own can be of a young Igbo maiden, of a young Igbo man, of a young Hausa, Yoruba, like any tribe of your choice, any state, any country, any language of your choice, okay? I choose the Igbo for my first prompt. Then the second prompt, I choose the Japan, okay? So this is my prompt. I'm going to tell it, I'm just going to describe how I want the woman to look, where I want her to be, and all that, you know, the normal way your prompt comes out now, okay? So I said, standing in front of her hut. The settings should be epic, like in Nollywood movies. That's how I want the settings to be, okay? Then I went further to say, add dialogue where the woman is greeting passers-by in Igbo language. They can be, you can choose anything, maybe talking, having a conversation about anything of your choice. I just want greeting, okay? And it should not be it should not be more than 8 seconds. It should just be 8 seconds. Now, here is the main command. I said, write the dialogue in the style of an elderly woman. Add pronunciation guide for AI voice, okay? Add pronunciation guide for the AI voice. Then I went further to say, let her sound 100% natural and accurate, like a realistic Igbo woman, okay? Then I stated in natural afternoon sunlight. Then I told ChatGPT that I will be using Flow AI just for accuracy. I said add camera angles and other necessary things for the video to come out well, just in case I missed something, okay? Then I sent it. Oh, this is giving me image. It's giving me image. Let me just say I need prompts, not images. You know, this is AI, so it can make mistake at times. It's even stated there that AI do make mistakes. So let me say I don't mean images. I need prompt. So here is the prompt that it gave me. This is the image prompt and the other one is the video prompt, okay? So this is the prompt. Can you see? So I'm going to copy the image prompt. Okay, let me just copy the image prompt so that I can first of all get the image for the video. If you want, you can as well generate the image from ChatGPT, but I just want to get the image and the video inside one app, okay? So I'm going to copy the image prompt and go to Flow AI. I'll be using Flow AI, okay? So this is Flow AI. I've already dropped a tutorial on how to use Flow AI. In case you don't know, you can just check the videos. I think a few days ago I dropped a video about how to use it. You can check out the video so that you learn how to use it properly, because here you can get your image here and then still get your videos here. So this is me. I've already pasted the prompt. I'm waiting for the image to come out. When something like this comes out, you simply click on this arrow sign, this repeat, or I don't know what this is called, but this is like redo or repeat. So you click on it so that it will regenerate the image again. So this is the image. It came out nice. Then I'm going to copy my video prompt. In case you don't like the image, you can just regenerate it, but this one is okay. So I'm going to copy my video prompt. Oh my god, the prompt has disappeared. Oh, what is wrong? I don't need image. Let me just tell it again that I need prompts. I don't need image. Please give me prompt. The prompt disappeared. You see why you should copy your prompt and paste it in your notes. Once you get your prompt and you like it, just copy it and paste it on your notes so that you avoid to avoid it disappearing like mine. So this is the prompt again. Okay, now it came out very well now. The lightning, the camera angles, and everything here. So I'm going to copy the video prompt. Let me copy the video prompt starting from 8 seconds. That's the duration. Okay, I'll copy the prompt, the camera angles, the duration, the lightning, the dialogue, and every necessary thing. See pronunciation guide. This is very, very important for the AI. Okay, then I will stop here. I will come back for the instruction later. You see that instruction there, this particular one, it is necessary. I'll come back for it later. So I will have to long press on the photo, double click on animate so that I can bring the photo in, because that's the photo I will be using. Okay, now I'm going to paste my prompt on that space. Okay, let me just put full stop here to avoid the AI making mistake. Then I'll go back to this instruction because it is necessary so that the AI will not make mistake. It says the woman speaks only in fluent Central Igbo with the authentic accent of an elderly woman. So I'm going to copy it and then paste it here. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, this is it. Let me just arrange my prompt very well for the AI not to make mistake. Okay, after that I'm going to press on shift so that I can bring this one down. The instruction I just want to bring it down. So after that I will then click on go so that I can animate my image. Okay, it says queued, generating. It's going to generate. You just give it like a minute or thereabout, and then our video is ready. So you click on this icon, this play icon. This is the video. So let's check if the video came out nice.
Ọtụtụ ụmụ kedu kunu siri taa Chineke gozie unu na jenu nkoma o.
So after listening to it and that's what you want, you can click on that arrow up, click on original size so that you can download. But if it is not what you want, you can just go back and regenerate it, rewrite your prompt to your text and go back to regenerate the video. Okay, so for the Japanese one, I went back to ChatGPT to try something else, like in a language that is not familiar to me, because I just wanted to check something out. So I said to ChatGPT, so can you give me the exact prompt for images and videos? I also added AI voice guide, dialogue, camera angles for a Japanese elderly woman. The setting should be in Japanese realistic village. The language and intonation, dressing and all should be in Japanese or in Japan. I don't know, whichever one. Then I said not images but prompt, so that it will not give me images again. I just need prompt. Then I sent. Okay, so this is it. It gave me this one. This is for Japanese. So we're going to copy this image prompt to generate a Japanese elderly woman in her village settings. Okay, so I will copy the prompt and then go back to Flow AI. Let me just go back. Then I'm going to change this to images. Okay, you can as well change the aspect ratio of your choice. Then paste my prompt for the Japanese elderly woman and click on the arrow so that I can generate the image. So after like a minute, our image is ready. This is the image of the Japanese woman. Okay, can you see the image? So I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. One thing about this ChatGPT is that in the dialogue, it will also write it both in the language that you want and also in English language. Okay, and it will write out the AI voice guide, how the AI is going to pronounce each word. You can see the guide here, the dialogue guide. That's what I'm trying to copy to make it sound natural. Okay, the pronunciation guide, you can see it here. So I copied everything, went back to my Flow AI, long press on the image, double click on animate, just the same process that I did on the other one. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here, paste my prompt here, then also go back and copy that instruction. You understand? I'll go back and copy that instruction so that the Flow AI will not make mistakes. See it there, Flow AI voice instruction. So that's what I'm going to copy. Then go back to ChatGPT, do the same thing, paste it the same way, okay, and click on the arrow so that it can generate my video for the Japanese woman. So while we wait for the video to generate, guys, please don't forget to like this video and drop your comments, whether a suggestion, a question, or anything, okay. Also subscribe to my channel and click on notification bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a video. So this is the video. The video is ready. Let's see what we have here.
こんにちはね、皆さん。今日も暑いですね。どうぞお気をつけてね。いってらっしゃいましょう。こんにちはね、皆さん。今日も暑いですね。どうぞお気をつけてね。いってらっしゃいましょう。
But then I don't understand Japanese, so I don't even know if it is correct or not, but I believe it is correct, okay, because the prompt came out very well. So guys, I'm going to save it. If that's what you want, you still save your video, okay, the normal way that you save it. And you know, when you're saving the video is going to save in your file. So if you want to see all your works, you can as well just go to your file, see the two videos there, just click on the three dots, then you select all the videos that you want to save in your gallery, and then save it to phone. You click on save and save it to photos, and then they are saved to your gallery. Okay, that's all for now, guys. I will see you on my next video. All right, bye.